guys, nice to see you. It is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry cabbage and broccoli with lagama spicy sauce. Hope you will like it. Ingredients: cabbage, broccoli, ginger, chopped garlic. Cut cabbage into small pieces. Sliced ginger. Cut broccoli into florets, wash and set aside. Stir-fry ginger sliced and chopped garlic until fragrant. Add 1 tablespoon lagama spicy sauce and stir-fry. Add cabbage and stir-fry. Add broccoli. Season with 1 teaspoon soy sauce to taste. Add 2 tablespoons water and simmer broccoli until softened. Plate cabbage and broccoli.
Wow! Smell good and looks appetizing. It's delicious to stir-fry cabbage and dismiss it. Yummy! Give it a try. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.